Inside a massive ant farm, millions of black ants, raised for harvest. Millions of ants, in a single colony, moving as one. Fed daily, millions of ants, maintained at peak condition. Harvest time. Thousands pour from colony to collection. Collected by the thousands. Container after container, filled. Cold-stunned instantly. The humane first step before processing. Onto the washing line. Thousands, moving continuously. Washed clean, every ant rinsed before the next stage. Shaken dry, excess water removed before the oven. Seasoned with sea salt, the only ingredient added. Into the oven. Slowly dehydrated, not fried. Slow dried at controlled temperature. Crunch locked in. Out of the oven. Fully dehydrated, crispy and ready. Cooled before packing. Temperature must drop before sealing.
Oxygen absorber added first. Freshness protection before filling.
Weighed to exactly 5 grams. Precision, every single pouch. Filled by the thousands. Every pouch, exactly the same.
Sealed airtight, freshness locked in with every press.
Labeled with the emblem. Thousands branded every minute. Loaded and moving, millions of pouches heading worldwide. Torn open, ready to eat, crispy, salted, and surprisingly delicious.